Let's show you what it means to be a truly good neighbor. And this is something that we know is the right thing to do.
We're proud to say that this rebuilding day we will be doing 32 projects in Spartanburg, in the city limits of Spartanburg. We've had bathroom repairs, roof repairs, done those similar things that we always see. But this spring we are doing 32 projects. Wow is right. Thank you all.
Y'all are doing a good job and I love it. I am so happy.
Wow, we've replaced a rotted out door, a rotted out window, painted all the windows. We power washed the front porch, we painted all the pickets and the railings. We put them a new front railing on.
Dice María, Christmas in action. I said, fix you up. No tengo gabinetes en mi cocina. Mucha sorpresa para mí, sí, porque es muchas cosas las que están haciendo por mí.
Sí.
I call them and they come on out, and I just thank God for them. So now they're trying to fix that ceiling, and I'm so